All right, so using what we just learned about bird voices and bird language, we're going to make something called a bird map. A bird map doesn't need too many materials, but it does need some. So we're going to talk about materials real quick. You are definitely going to need some sort of piece of paper to draw your bird map on. I like using blank sheets of paper like this, but you could also use a journal if you want to do this every day. It's helpful to have it unlined though, so you're not distracted by any lines or grids across the page, and it's nice to have kind of a big piece of paper so you have lots of room to work with. Next, you're going to need some sort of pencil. Just your regular old everyday pencil will work great. It's helpful to have an eraser. I'm almost out of mine, but this is going to work. You're also going to need some colored pencils. You really only need maybe 2 colors or more, but I like having a whole bunch of colors ready. You could also use markers or crayons, but colored pencils are easier to do little details with, so that's the one I recommend. And last but not least, you need some birds. And again, there's birds pretty much everywhere here, so wherever you are right now, this is probably going to work out fine. Some things that are helpful to have are a clipboard to write on. You're probably doing this outside and you might not have a table, so this will help give you a flat surface to write on. And it's also helpful to have a compass. This is the only compass I could find. It's not a great compass, but it'll do the trick for right now. If you don't have a compass, no worries. You can try to figure out which direction north is through another way. Maybe you look at a map of your house and you can figure out which way north is from some landmarks. Or maybe you just don't even worry about directions right now.